Do you want this? Simple shakes? No problem, I got you. First go to Effects and select Shakes. Make it small as possible and put it before the clip. Adjust it, speed 100, intensity 30. Copy it and do like I do. Then again go to Effects. Then add Diamond Zoom. Make it small as possible. Adjust it, size 50, intensity, speed 35, horizontal 50, rotate 50. Then again go to Effects and select Rebound Swing. Make it cover the whole clip. Then copy the previous shake and put it in end of each clip. It's that easy to do it. Have a nice day. See you late.